Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the widgets on your Windows 11 computer. So you can see in the bottom left it's just displaying my widgets right here. The temperature is about 30 degrees around me, and then I have all the stock stuff. So if you want to go ahead and just completely turn off all this stuff, because most of it is just promoted content and it's not very good content to read anyways. So if we want to completely turn this off, we can go to Start and then go to Settings, and then under here we want to go to Personalization, and then scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says the Taskbar. Right here, select this, and then we can go to where it says Widgets, and we can turn this off. And this is going to completely remove it in the bottom left, so you will no longer see the temperature outside or other information. Otherwise you can keep it on. I tried to limit myself clicking on any of these, because you read one of these articles and you're like, wow, that is a horrible article. But it's kind of nice having the temperature, that's about it. But you can turn it on or off any point right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.